Right. Hello, my name is Rowan Converse,
And I'm Blair Merca.
and today we're presenting our interactive data explorer looking at Bosque Ecosystem Monitoring Program depth to groundwater data from 1997 to 2017. So the Bosque Ecosystem Monitoring Program, which I'll call BEMP from here on out, is a nonprofit based out of the University of New Mexico, which has been conducting ecological monitoring at 33 sites. They began with 2 sites in 1997 in the Albuquerque area and have since expanded to 33 sites, stretching from Santo Domingo Pueblo in the north to Mesilla Valley Bosque State Park in the south. They work with 50 schools to bring 1,000 students out into the field every month to collect these core data sets and engage in environmental education. And land managers use these data for baseline monitoring and assessment of management outcomes. Their most requested data set from managers is depth to groundwater, which is a critical driver of a number of ecosystem dynamics in the Southwest. And so the goals for this web application are to provide a flexible web interface for visualizing and exploring the groundwater data to cut down on data requests and also give educators new tools with which to engage students.
So for the audience for our tool, there's a wide group of people that could find this tool useful, but for our purposes, we decided to focus on the high school and college age users. This includes students at the high school in the environmental science classes, the BEMP Bosque internships at UNM course, and natural resource managers.
To source the data in our tool, we downloaded the monthly depth to groundwater data from BEMP's data portal on their website. The data file also included US Geologic Survey river flow data from the nearest gauging station to a given site. And separately, we received site coordinates and basic site information and history from the BEMP data manager.
All right, so now we'll start the demo of the web app.
So the map consists of 2 primary elements. There is a map and a graph, which are connected by a drop-down list of BEMP sites. The sites are represented each by a marker. And when you select a site from the drop-down list, the map view automatically zooms to that site and provides a pop-up with information about that site, as well as updating the graph with the data.
And the graph itself shows the average depth to the groundwater and USGS river stage as a dual y-axis graph. Other features include the tooltip feature, which allows you to move over different areas of the graph to get the specific values at that point, as well as the zoom and brush feature, which allows you to get a finer resolution of time, with the accuracy being down to the month. Additionally, any data that is not present is shown by gaps, as well as for any site that has no data associated with it, such as site 5, the graph just appears blank and it is indicated by the mention at the top, which allows the user to understand that this is not a glitch in the code, it's a no data set.
All right. We'd like to acknowledge our course instructor, Dr. Liping Yang, who was invaluable in getting us unstuck at several points in this project. Dr. Kim Eichhorst, the BEMP co-director, who helped to connect us with data and provided some overview of what they would like out of an app. And also a number of code examples from open source providers online who helped us to style different aspects of the map and the graph.